on a train on a Friday night, wallet full of money and my t-shirt's tied. We're a quarter mile from the club and I can hear the music from here. Got a can of Stella sitting in one hand, the other's on the table sniffing up white sand. The train is slowing down, me and the boys are ready to go. Walking down the street and the train is so wide, we're all buzzed up for a real good night. Get up to the club and the queue's as fucking long as a train. To the bouncer I said, "What's up, son?" He said, "You're not coming in with those shoes on." I gave him loads of jib and he punched me straight in the eye. I got a black eye and I'm barred from the club for life. We're back at Dave's house, pizza in hand, and I didn't quite turn out how we planned. It's a sausage fest in here and we're watching Demolition Man.